To ship a car overseas 2021 completely guides tips. How to ship your car overseas step by step guide. Do you need help shipping a car overseas or track but feel slightly overwhelmed? Our completely guide on how to ship your car overseas break down the process. If you already know how to ship your car overseas and want to start the process, use our online form. Click the online below form button. How to ship car overseas contents. Research car shippers, request and compare quotes. Choose your preferred shipping method. Select a shipper and submit document. Inspects vehicle conditions report. Submit after ending the payment. Except a handful of destinations, the process is straightforward, so do not worry. We have also included a few additional suggestions that we purpose based on your own experience after the past 40 years of shipping cars internationally as well common questions and myths that have come up over the years. If you are shipping a much larger vehicle like an RV or motorhome, visit our resources on RV shipping preparation. So without further ado, let's get started below. It's quickly navigation to each sections. Seeing all the cars in this video. Step 1. Do your research. So one of the first step in purchasing decision is to do research and when shipping a vehicle overseas. Shipping a vehicle overseas research is very important step. When we say your research, there is a few things that need to be considered and we'll have explained how they should be done. Company research. The first thing that you want to do is gather a list of international auto transporters and shipping companies that you are considering using. Search in Google, Bing, Yahoo. Also use sites like bbb.org, fmc.government review site as well as forms. Do not forget the use friends for preference either. Look at each company credentials and certifications. See whether or not the company is licensed, insured, and bonded. If a company is all of the above, they do not hide. A IATA company, AMSA company, BV company, and other companies. The license will vary also by the type of company you deal with. Example, freight forwards will have FMC licensing and some may also have a special license if they operate as NVOCC. All domestic transporters are required to have their DOT license, and if the international shipping company has an in-house domestic pickup department, asks for the DOT informations. Additionally, make sure to ask each and every company, no matter how trivial it may seem, whether they are fully insured and licensed and whether they use licensed and insured carriers third party services. Go a step further and ask for those companies' names and conduct some research on them as well. Tip to do before you go out and request a quote from tons of websites. Anyone working from a computer can email you a price that looks great, but it could be from an unlicensed company for an uninsured transporter or a broker that never actually handles your automobile. Most of people searching for how to ship your car overseas rarely consider the entire process and all parties involved. Cost research. Cost research. If you want to determine how much it costs a ship overseas, you will need to request an online quote. Getting a quote is also a great way to learn how to ship your car overseas as well. Next, fill out online quote form. Click the button. And next step, request quotes and compare them. How much does it cost a ship or overseas? This is a type of quoted services. The method used, inland transportation, definitions, fees. Next, ask about insurance. Most of the time, international and transporters will offer you either through their own in-house programs or through a company they work with. The rates between 1.5% of the value 2.5%. Determine your cost and trade-off. The consideration is really all about of your shipping preference. Next, determine shipping methods. There are different shipping methods of the benefits. Thanks for watching this video.